French Polynesia beckons with its over 100 islands, and the Maupiti Express II is your vessel to navigate this paradise. To book your ticket hassle-free, remember that reservations with Far and Away Adventures can be made from 1 day to 30 days in advance as part of a vacation package. Tickets are also sold on board and at the ticket office in Vitape, Bora Bora. For the most accurate information, it's best to consult directly with Maupiti Express II's official channels or trusted travel specialists. The journey itself is a spectacle, with the Maupiti Express II offering stunning vistas of azure waters and distant atolls. Have your camera ready, but also take time to soak in the views firsthand. The ferry isn't just a mode of transport, it's a social hub where you can interact with locals and travelers, enriching your experience with insights and perhaps new friendships. As you traverse the pristine environments of French Polynesia, it's crucial to travel responsibly. Dispose of trash properly, respect wildlife, and support local economies by purchasing from vendors and artisans. Each island has its own identity and traditions. Showing respect for these customs is not just courteous, but also deepens your appreciation of the diverse cultures you're visiting. The Maupiti Express II is more than a transition from one destination to another. It's an integral part of the French Polynesian experience. By embracing the journey, engaging with the islands and their cultures, and moving through this stunning region with respect and openness, travelers can uncover the true essence of Polynesia. So, book your journey, set sail across the azure waters, and let the islands reveal their wonders to you, one breathtaking moment at a time. Book with a South Pacific specialist at Far and Away Adventures.